Horizons is a project where we will be remaking the murals that are currently on show at Scoill and Jubilee. We are basing these new murals on the 4 seasons: winter, summer, spring and autumn. And we will be getting input from the children and using their ideas to make this new mural.
I like the first one and this one. That's the best part.
The team think about the school, the space and the people who use it every day. Most of all, they plan how to work with the students and make sure their ideas are taken seriously.
I love the hedgehog in a swing.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I love the hedgehog in a swing.
Making sure we had everything ready for the first workshop was very important. It took lots of planning. The team meets the students and learns about their school. The students talk about what matters to them and what they enjoy.
I like summer because we get 6 weeks off of school. That's true.
They share ideas through discussions and
These are going
drawings.
to be like actual people, guys.
Do you guys want to add colour to your awesome pictures?
Yeah!
So everyone, just so you know what the plan is, these guys have to make these for you. Now you guys are the audience, so we have to listen to you and they have to think, what can we deliver and make that you want? Right, everybody after 3 you're going to say sausages. Right, 1, 2, 3, sausages! Guess what I've got? What? The missing artwork! Yay!
After the workshop, the team reviews all the drawings and notes. They look for shared themes, colours and symbols.
Look around the room and pick up one particular image that kind of
I
attracted you.
like the colours used in this.
It's very vibrant and colourful.
Some ideas stand out and begin to connect. These help shape the first mural concept. In the second workshop, the students see how their ideas have been turned into a mural design.
3 little bees. There, it's at the tree. I like the hedgehog.
The hedgehog.
Wait, actually, I do
They
like
can recognise their own work within the images and shapes. The students are interviewed and asked what their opinions are on the mural.
the animations are really nice.
And have you got a favourite part of the mural, like a favourite drawing?
The plane. The hedgehog. And like, I really
Their feedback helps to further improve and refine ideas for the design. The next stage of our journey required our project leader Sophia to meet with Signwrite to begin the printing process and finally bring the new murals to life. The mural now needs a name that represents its purpose. The team have a few ideas and explain different choices to the students.
Sit at the table with the one you like the most, okay?
Together, they discuss and agree on the final name.
We've made a decision.
This gives the mural its title, New Horizons Mural Makeover with Scoill and Jubilee. With the design finished, printing begins. And now for the big reveal.